Update on the boat. I just sprayed the black. Got a few ripples in it, but that clear will cover that. It got a tint of blue in it. A little bit of blue speckle. But all in all, I like how it's turning out. I'll shoot a coat of clear. Then I'm gonna pull the tape off and I'm gonna shoot clear on the red and the black. Red, silver, and black. That'll get it all done up. Got the switches put in. I gotta screw all that back together. I got a few ripples right on this corner. I'll have to sand out. Right in there. I'm gonna have a hard line. I'll just have to sand that from where I pull the tape off. I'll knock it down and put clear over it. You'll never know it was there. All right, finished shooting the clear. Now I gotta just let it sit. But it's coming out real good. I gotta sand it, buff it out, and then polish it. But it'll wind up looking like glass. Like I said, I got them couple little old ripples right in there. I gotta sand out. And I got a little bit of the red metal flake in the black, but this gives it a little highlight. But the wax coat's on it, and we'll see. And already the damn black bugs is coming in, kicking. I have to sand them out. But stay tuned.